Hey, everybody, this is me, Mr. Charles.
We don't have that much time on the camera for
Battery's
you.
low, so I gotta hurry up. All right.
That's right.
This is the undercarriage.
Yes.
View of the outside. This right here is under the sink. Oh, this ain't the sink side.
This is the sink.
Under the sink.
Ain't there a light somewhere up here?
It's on the side. On the side. Hold on.
It's on the light itself. Anyway,
Yeah, there you go. That's the light. All right. Got a little broom, got the little dustpan. Got our little sodas over there. A pop from Chicago. All right. Let me get that from you. All right. Be the camera lady. Be the camera lady. Okay, let's turn this on.
Just leave it on. We can turn it off. Y'all, it's hell hot out here.
Here's the other compartment over here. This is where some of the brains of the outfit is at. This is like the little HVAC in the back of the truck right here. If you look that way, that's where the water tank is at.
And y'all, it's halfway gone.
Yeah, we gotta be more frugal with our water.
We're gonna get our ass somewhere and get some water. I mean our butts.
Yeah.
All right, so we're done here because the battery is getting low.
All right. Let's go to the other side. We ain't gotta do all this shit. Okay, you guys. All right, everybody, right here. Camera lady, right here.
I gotta turn around.
I said,
Yo,
camera
he
lady.
always, he think he my daddy.
Camera lady don't like
Come on. You didn't even let me turn around.
One door. The other door. Okay. This is my water hose for getting water. If and only if the water spigot is on the other side of the truck. The toe here is our storage supplies. We're gonna open that up tomorrow. On the next week. Okay, look down the side of it. There's another storage box right here. This, I'm closer. This right here is the grill.
The barbecue grill.
Another ladder here. The two buckets you see is the chain.
What
and
chains?
The snow tire chain.
What is snow tire chains?
What is snow tire chain?
Yeah. Why you need
That
snow
is
tire
for
chains?
if we somewhere and we need to chain up. But our company and FedEx don't chain.
Because states have chain up laws.
Yes.
Thank God we don't chain up.
Iowa, Idaho, Colorado, places like that have so you have to use chain.
Y'all, he make me sick.
Here's my cabin.
Y'all watch, see how messy.
mess.
Watch how messy it is.
But don't judge.
We judging.
Y'all look, but don't judge.
We listen, but don't judge.
There you go.
Oh,
This is mine. This is my windshield washer fluid.
we gotta go
Brand new. This is my mess. But
Why
I
do
know
you need all that stuff? What's all that stuff for?
this stuff is for the truck.
Like what?
The windshield washer for the windshield. The Earl is for the
No,
Earl.
like what do you need all that stuff for? That stuff makes the truck run?
It makes the truck run.
Oh, okay, like oil and coolant and windshield washer fluid like that?
Exactly.
What's that black and red thing down there?
The black and red is
No, or that thing back there. Yeah,
That's my
that. What's that?
toolbox.
Oh, you got a toolbox in the truck? Why would you need tools?
In case you have to wrench on something.
Oh, y'all, he
You
might
can't
have
make it to the main.
He might have to wrench around and wrench it off.
There's a funnel down there. Another big.
What's this stuff right here? That thing right there, that gold stuff. What's that? You ain't gotta pull it out. What is it?
I don't know.
That gold liquid.
Oh, that's anti-gel.
Yeah, what you do with that?
You put it in the fuel tank
Because
so your diesel fuel don't freeze up.
so you
Or
do it
turn the gel.
all year round or what?
Nah, I do it in the wintertime.
Oh, that's cool.
You know.
All right. Okay, well, we got a little more time, so I got a question.
What's the question?
What is that blue thing? That's where the gas goes?
That's your DEF tank. As us truckers call it out here,
DEF.
we call it the DEF tank.
And what's that?
That is a mixture with the fuel to burn off any soot to your exhaust.
All right, y'all. And then what's in here? In this?
What's in where?
In that?
Oh, this is my other little compartment right here.
Hmm.
This is my roadside kit.
Ooh, what's in these red boxes?
Ah.
Somebody been to the Nike outlet.
Yeah, we ain't gonna say who. There's our food, little eating trays over here. There's the other side of the water tank over there. Where's my light?
What's that thing?
This
that
is the
black
brains to the outfit of the truck.
So you got them on both sides because they do stuff on both sides of the truck.
Yep.
Oh, that's really cool, Mr. Man.
All right.
What's this? That black box right there?
Those are batteries now.
Solar charging system.
Yes.
What's that little silver box over there?
That I don't know.
Okay, well, what's this big thing right here?
That's your fuel tank.
Fuel tank, like gas, fuel.
Diesel, baby.
How many gallons it hold?
This is 80 right here.
Oh.
2 80-gallon tanks on this.
Where's the other one?
On the other side.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Well, okay. Well, what's in the back of this truck right here?
Back of this truck is empty.
Y'all, that dude right there was parked next to us. He was in his mirror like, what y'all doing?
Yeah,
okay, come on.
Solomon came out here cutting up.
That was not it. He just saw somebody on the side of his truck and he was curious. So what you doing?
You said what's in the back of it? I'm opening up the truck.
Okay, but what?
Okay. What? Go ahead. That's your question.
Come on. Let's
I'm
go.
opening up the truck so you guys can take a peek.
Okay,
inside.
come on. Cause
I
that's
got to know. You have no
hold on,
camera,
y'all. That's
no
making me
camera.
touch something dirty.
Cameras on me.
So normally when we do stuff like this, we have gloves on.
Yes. Okay. Let's do a quick peek inside.
Oh, you're not getting in there?
No. You got 31%.
You got plenty of time.
Anyway. In the back, the black tote.
Hold on, y'all. He's gonna do it my way. So this little button right here, this brings the gate down. Move back. It is. Now
you want to
move back. Move back. Move back. Move back, because I'm ready to fight him, y'all. Because he acting stupid. Shut up. See, he can't even. I was trying to scratch my arm if you all right. You are gonna let it out because this is what we're doing. Come on, Charles.
You cannot film me going up and down on this.
Why?
Safety.
It don't matter safety if I push you off. Ain't that how you get up there? Let it all the way down.
This is good right here. Come on.
We're gonna make him do it. I was telling him I was gonna close you up in the back of the
It
truck.
feels good up in here. You probably could. So, what's up, everybody? Here we go. We back in the truck right now. I'm glad I did get up here because the last place we went, they did not hang my load bar back
It's
up.
thick to me.
So I gotta hang it back up. So over here, we're back up. Box over here is the supply chain over here. These are some wheel cap covers that I'm being too lazy to put on the truck, but I do have.
For 6 months.
So I don't need the cheering section back there. We bought these chairs
You ain't gotta do all that.
for sitting
You ain't
outside.
gotta do all that.
This is our storage tank. Storage container. We got other supplies that we use inside the truck. There's my lift.
Boots, hard hat, safety glasses.
Another dolly over here. But I'm ready to hang this
What's that
low
yellow thing
bar.
with the black handle on it?
I already told him what it was. It's the pallet jack. The yellow thing with the black handle is
What's that
pallet
white
jack.
stuff on the floor?
That's a paint spill from back when we first got the truck. But it do need a good cleanup in the back. Up top, that's our Thermo King that cools down the back of the truck or keeps things cold or at a freezer level. So that's the Thermo King up top. The little wire that you see here is 4 of these. That's to keep the temperature. So when the wife is telling you guys what probes are, you have 4. I don't know what's actually what's T1, T2, T3, T4. I don't know. So the missus can take over now. I'm gonna hang my low bar up. Yeah, that's a good look on it. Don't let it down here.
Say you sorry for everything you've done to me, or you staying in here.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna lock the door from the outside,
sorry.
and I'm gonna turn this sick sucker to negative 20.
For everything I ever done.
Y'all like to stand him.
I had the same.
Oh, he ignorant. Oh, he ignorant.
That's going worldwide.
Which is, so the load bars, I'm explaining load bars why he does it. So we have 10 load bars. The load bars are once we put our product in the back of the truck, the load bars secure. That's why you have those silver things going down the truck and the little holes. The load bars secure the product from flying all over the back of the truck. Because you don't want to open the truck and everything be everywhere, because we had that happen once when we were at CFI, but it wasn't our fault.
Yes.
Should I bring them down, y'all? Should I bring them down, y'all, or should I leave them up there? Say you sorry. Sing a song and dance.
I just did a
Dance
song
another
and
one. Dance another one.
Oh, let me down, please. Let me down easy. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Let me down easy. Who is that?
Get off.
Is that Teddy Pendergrass?
No, I got 22%.
Should I do a Mary J?
Do a Mary J.
I'm so sorry, baby. Woo! I'm so sorry. I don't
Let it up. Y'all, this one is. I should have left him. Oh, you tried to take me out with this door.
No,
Girl, y'all, he tried to make this door close on me. He tried to kill me. Come on for a truck pull in here. So y'all,
gonna have to stop.
That's the truck
you know
tour.
Why he gonna stop? You know
That's
why he
the
gonna
truck
stop?
tour for our
Why
lovely
he gonna
truck.
stop?
Tell hubby to put the rims, the little things
The little
on the
caps.
truck, the caps, so the truck will shine like all the other truckers. Come on.
Well, we stuck out here.
It's not even
another
hot
day.
out here as you were saying it was.
Stuck out here another day.
Y'all, we stuck out here because we on breakdown.
Can I finish? If we stuck out here another day or so, what I asked
You're
for
not
you
gonna do it. You're
to
not gonna
do in order for me to put them on.
You're not gonna do it.
What did I ask you?
I don't remember. This is where the remote control goes, y'all, in here.
Yeah,
Yeah, because we ain't think about
So I
him.
told you to
Come
put
on,
the
close
daisies
it up.
on.
I'm
and
gonna get.
support your man.
I'm about
That's
to
what I
leave
asked.
my
I said,
man
baby, put
out
the,
here.
Put the
Let the
daisies
thing
on and stuff. Why you keep going down?
Because I just want you to go on. Cause come on, the camera gonna die.
She don't want. She don't want to hear nothing now. Okay, that's good. That's good.
You better get moving. Yo, this is why he got beat up the other day. Cause he don't know how to act.
Okay, it's gonna make a boom.
Let's go. Come on.
Up a little bit. That's good. That's good.
Y'all, let be loud, and I hear all of this when I'm inside the truck. That's our truck tour.
Come on over here.
Oh,
Right here.
my bad.
This is where you put the freight for
Come on,
the doohickey.
the lock.
All right, never mind. I'm done. Not the other truck.
Yo, I can't stand this man. Hold on, because the sun is in my face. Y'all, thanks for doing the truck tour with us. Oh, oh my God, did he? Oh my God. He just licked me in my ear. That's so nasty. Now he got to go around here and lock these doors. Yo, that was so nasty. I'm trying to do the right thing and end the video, and this fool sticks his tongue in my ear. Oh, that was so nasty.
You can tell the people.
Say back to the camera. Deuces, y'all.